Hey everyone, welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show, and in this video, we're gonna be doing something special. We're gonna be reviewing the brand new Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0 that hasn't even been released yet. I am so special. That being said, with Manscaped sponsoring this video, I thought we would do a comparison of their 3.0, which I did a couple weeks ago, to the new 4.0. Let's do it. So if you guys can bear with me, let's actually start from the 2.0 to the 3.0, and let's show the progression and growth of Manscaped. Now with the 2.0, I love the size. Compact, easy, sweet. It also came with 4 different variable guards. That's the one thing I liked about it. Compared to the 3.0, we've got a couple different changes, okay? 2 of them is the light and the width of the clipper itself. The third, we've got a nice portable little charger that we can take with us, put it to sink, put it to a counter, whatever works for you. So the 3.0 was a nice upgrade from a 60-minute use to a 90-minute use. Now comparing the 3.0 to the 4.0, I think we're going in the direction of bigger and better. Not only that, we have a new feature that Manscaped put out that I actually thought is a good add-on, and it looks like they're going in the right direction where these clippers need to go. And this is where I want to kind of dive in the end of the video of why the clippers need to stay towards the hair and maybe the upper chest and body, compared to when we get down to the jewels, we need to actually start using razors and blades. It's going to give us a better experience, and we won't have those nicks and gashes that the clippers cause. And once again, Manscaped does not short us on the packaging. If we turn to the back, it shows us everything that's included: a skin-safe replaceable blade, rechargeable wireless charging, LED spotlight, power status indicator, it's waterproof, and it's got that new feature being a travel lock. So it's just like the pens, it's just like everything else in the world. Click it 5 times and then it's locked. You don't gotta worry about it wasting, going through travel, going through security, whatever. It's gonna be a nice, safe travel lock. Go Manscaped. Now, as I open the box, it just shows you why it's so important to kind of associate yourself with a brand. It is about the product, but it's kind of you being a part of something, right? And Manscaped definitely makes me feel like a high baller, that's for sure. All right, so we're looking pretty good. It's a whole new ball game. Balls, yeah, I get it. All right, I'm getting the feels right now. We're getting the notion of the motion. I'm not gonna lie, I thought it'd been bigger. Now, before we get into the 4.0, let's look at the nicks and nannies that you get. You got a customer service card, you get a Manscaped owner's manual. On top of that, which I think looks really professional, is the guards, the way our charging port works, which I think we can pull that out, looks really nice. It's got a USB-C on the back, so we got a fast charging for 90 minutes for a 90-minute use. I like it. Now, comparing the two, there's not really too many differences looking at it really in detail. There's not too many differences, just logo placements and a new button. Looks like it's about the same when it comes to the clipper. And it also looks the same in the width. Now, playing with it for 5 minutes, I've been having some issues. I'm not gonna lie. It's actually really stressing me out turning this thing on. So 3.0, I mean, instantaneous. 4.0, I mean, there's a 1 second, 1/1000. I don't like that, hit it. I mean, it's not the biggest thing in the world, but when it's locked, which it is now, I get it, but like there's gonna be a time. I mean, it's just weird getting used to it. But for me, being a person that loves electronics and likes actuators that work on the spot when you hit the button, it's just a little like disappointing, I guess, if you will. Now, one last thing I'm gonna gripe about, and then I always like to end on a good note, are the guards. Manscaped, please give us guards. You might offer them, but we need more. I'm gonna get into this in the later part of the video, but for clippers, we need more guards, because I know it's about manscaping, but for guys that actually do it, know that there's some nicks and things going along, and I know that we can trim them up, but I know it sounds crazy, but guys will actually use this for other things as well. So we'll get into that later, but please, Manscaped, more guard. So I'll finalize it with a positive note, is that the LED is a lot brighter, and I love the ergonomics of the new clippers itself. It's got a nice and better grip. The other ones were a little more round and it was a little more slippery, but the grip was a little different. So I think they went with a new plastic. But once again, it's new, it's something to get used to. Might not be everybody's cup of tea. Now just remember, Manscaped is a premium grooming product, all right? They do offer ceramic blades. You can buy them monthly. And if you want to, by all means. If you guys need anything, go down there into the description. I'll hook you up. But that being the case, I want to just kind of debunk something, okay? Manscaped clippers are not for your jewels, okay? I just want to get that out of your guys' head. This is for your stomach. This is for your arms. This is for your legs. This is everything else. When it comes to the private parts, we need to stick to the razor. But if we want that clean look, right? If we want that sharp, nice dress man look, we gotta stick with the razor. All right, so this is gonna be the best way to explain my monotony. So we've got our Manscaped 4.0 clippers, right? With multiple guards, LED light, 3-punch lock for the button, on and off, all that good stuff, okay? And then we got Manscaped's razor. So let's do a science experiment. Let's pretend that these are the downstairs, because I know YouTube would flag me, which they have already algorithmed everything out. And I don't know, YouTube, I have just given up on. So I'm just making this for you guys, okay? But we're gonna compare the razor to the clipper of why, when you're going downstairs, we need to stick to the close shave. Let's start with the clipper, okay? That button just drives me crazy. I can't take it, okay? Let's come up. And let's just go for a little bit. We're gonna every direction, okay? Just like it was downstairs, every direction. No looksies, just doing it. Okay, not too bad. All right, we did the left side. Now let's hit the right. We're gonna go straight razor, no shaving cream, whatever, all right? We're just gonna go up. No looksies, because I can do it all. All right, now the right side. See the difference? Not only do we get a closer shave, all right, that's one. Two, we're not gonna get the nicks. And I know that's their premise, right? That you can shave with confidence, you can clip with confidence, and that's not the case. Remember, every guy is different when it comes to the thickness and the denseness of their hair, okay? Not everybody's gonna have that soft, fluffy hair. With that being said, there's gonna be a time, the wrong angle, the wrong position, you're gonna pull up a follicle and it's gonna hurt like the blazes, especially when you're getting down in the gooch area and the backside. That's not where we wanna be. That's why I like this straight razor, which Manscaped offers. So I'm trying to put the premise, and we're gonna do one more experiment right here, is why the clippers need to stay on top of the body and the razor needs to go with the neck and the jewels, because we're fine tuning, we're getting close to the skin, it's a close shave. Now let me show you guys what Manscaped should be used for. Now I said it time and time again that Manscaped needs to get on their guard selection, and after putting them on, y'all need to put a little bit more money in that guard game. It's feeling pretty cheap. The reason why I say, if you guys wanna hit the arms, that's what we're gonna use it for. Let's trim that up, man. I don't wanna go, I'm not gonna lie. I don't wanna go Robbie Williams. I am that kind of hair grower. If I don't take care of them arms, they're gonna go ape style, all right? So Manscaped, dude, let's go. Bump, bump, bump. And listen, laugh all you want. There's guys that are shaving their armpits. It's not about that. It's just we're fine tuning, we're refining what the look is. And that's what we're doing right now. Everybody's on Instagram wanting to show their bodies off. I get it, that's not the problem. But what I'm trying to say is that the product is not addressing the situation, okay? The situation needs a razor. So if you're gonna be trimming up the body hair, use the 4.0 for that, right? The arms, the legs, the beard, that's what this is for. If you wanna go down and use the jewels, use the straight razor. And they also have that. Like I said, if you wanna check anything out, go down below and they have it. I'm just trying to give you guys a reason why. If you wanna trim down there, use a razor. Don't use clippers. Clippers are for longer hair to fade, to trim. It's not to shave. Shaving is raising, clipping is clipping, whatever. So once again, I just want to show you guys what clippers and razors can do different. Manscaped, you guys did great. 2, 3, 4. You did a great job, all right? For you guys out there that want to try something different, check them out. They've got a great line of products. They've got chonies, they've got travel bags, they've got apparel, you name it, they got it. So that being said, Manscaped, thanks again for letting me review your stuff. Like always, you guys, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See